Hey, wait a minute, there's a waterfall here. So we're on our way to storm the Coronado and the DeSoto. We are the Pinto. I hear sirens. We're celebrities.
That's a copper up there.
Uh-oh, where? Uh-oh. And there's the copper. What story should we tell him? Maybe we should just wave to him. Uh-oh, we're in trouble. We gotta come this way. Yeah, oh, you bet your ass. In case they take up billy clubs or something.
Hey, pretty good.
Hi, how are you?
Who are you guys?
Huh?
Who are you guys? My name's Eric.
My name's John.
Is there a law against it? Yeah, there is today. Not open to public voting. Oh, really?
Okay. Well, let's just go ahead and take off, I guess.
All right. Easy way or the hard way. We'll see you later then.
There's the boys. They just got in trouble for being in the canoe.